Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a little bit of shopping haul from Fix Freestyle and one item from Poshmark. So the reason why I did this little shopping haul from Stitch Fix is my mother-in-law was kind enough to give me a gift card for my birthday. So I wanted to spend it. And I just haven't been getting anything that has been interesting me in my boxes. So I'd rather just buy things myself that are on Freestyle and purchase them that way. All right, so the first item that I purchased is this sweater. Now, if you watched my last video about the colors that I'm looking to buy, I'm looking for magenta and mauve because these are colors that I don't have in my wardrobe. So this fits the bill of B Magenta. Le Serene Sequoia long sleeve cardigan in purple, size extra small. Now, I've actually had this pinned on my board and my stylist has looked for it for me several times, you know, and she's never found it. And I even specifically requested in my note, it's never available for her to pick. So if I wanted this cardigan, I had to order it myself. I believe it was $48. It has like the pointelle knit on the sleeves. It is just like a regular ribbed fabric in the back and on the sides. And it has these tortoiseshell buttons down the front. The material is 75% acrylic, 22% polyester, 3% spandex. I'm actually surprised by the amount of acrylic in this. To me, this feels more polyester-ish. It doesn't feel itchy to me at all. And hopefully it will hold its shape when I wash it. But I love the color of this, and I don't have much available in this color in my wardrobe. So I'm very happy to add this. I can't imagine it not looking all right on me, but let's hope it looks okay. The next thing that I got, I picked out myself. It's something mauve, and it definitely goes in with my casual lifestyle now. Is this like thermal waffle knit hoodie, right? By Chaser, okay? Now, we all know Chaser's an expensive name brand. And this one, let's see if I can find the name of it. They're calling this Dusty Lilac. I call it mauve. So they're calling this the Chaser Sorely Textured Knit Hoodie in light purple, size extra small. And this is 62% polyester, 35% rayon, 3% elastane. I got it my usual extra small. It kind of surprises me. I would have thought that this is more rayon or cotton. It doesn't feel that much polyester, but I guess it is, okay? So it has the kangaroo pocket here down in the front. Is it kangaroo? Does it go across? Yes, a kangaroo pocket down in the front, a hoodie, and a drawstring. And I just like the color, all right? I don't have anything this color. And I kind of had an idea of wearing something like this in the early spring, like March, April, when it's still cold. And I thought, and I would need a jacket to go over it, all right? So then I ordered this jacket, thinking it was an indoor jacket. All right, this one is by Coffee Shop. This is not an indoor jacket. So when I got this, I was like, oh, all right. It is really thick and heavy, and it really seems a good quality. Oh, the Chaser top was $75. This jacket was $88. I can see why this is $88. It is definitely a thick outdoor jacket, and it's in a purpley, dark mauve kind of color, more purple than mauve, okay? This is a nice jacket. I highly recommend it, but it is not an indoor jacket. Even I looked at my husband, I'm like, can I get away with an indoor jacket? No, you look ridiculous. He says, that's an outdoor jacket. So the shell is 100% cotton. The lining is 60% cotton, 40% polyester, and the filling is 100% polyester. This is really nice. And the name is called the Dakota Quilted Jacket in purple, size extra small. But this is not what I was looking for when I got this top. So this is going to go back, but I will try it on for you. I think this is a lovely jacket. It's just not what I had anticipated. And I actually already ordered a jean jacket by Prosperity that is this, you know, mauvey type of color. And we'll see how that looks when it comes in with the Chaser top. All right, lastly, Poshmark. Now, I am not a huge Poshmarker. I do not have my own closet, so I'm not a reseller on there, but I do occasionally check them out. And I have to suggest, if you guys like the Level 99 brand, there is so much Level 99 on there with new tags that are current items, or some of them current items, that are incredibly cheap. So this one, all right, is a pair of pants. They're actually from Stitch Fix, so they're probably older. They're the Level 99 Francis straight leg. in blue, size 0 petite, all right? So they're not quite a navy blue, but they are a blue, and they're the typical stretchy style from level 99, okay? They have real pockets here in the back, okay, which I will not unsew, and hopefully they lie flat when I wash, and zip pockets here in the front that are real, okay? And they have a button closure and the double hook closure. Again, new with tags, Poshmark. They have a straight bottom leg with a little cutout to give my poor calves some freedom. And these on Poshmark, new with tags, they're from Stitch Fix, remember, $18. With shipping, they were $25 and change. $18. So yeah, a brand new with tags, Stitch Fix item, $18, and level 99, a brand that I know and I like. Can't beat it. And there's tons of items out there. Now, in my last video, I said I wasn't going to buy any color jeans or pants, but boy, there's a pair of red level 99 flares in my size for $10, brand new with tags that are calling my name. I might have to buy those. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, up first is the coffee shop jacket, which I think is an adorable jacket, but it is more of an outdoor jacket than an indoor one. And I don't think it's the greatest match for the top. Like, I was looking for that kind of a, you know, tone on tone color. For some reason, this is a little bit more purple than I think it needs to be. I don't think it looks the greatest with this top, and hopefully the denim jacket that comes in is a both better match and looks more like something indoor. So the coffee shop is an extra small, and the sleeves are a good length. One thing I wouldn't like about this personally is I would have to roll this up if I had it, because it's just too wide. I like wide leg arms in like shirts, but not in a jacket, an outdoor jacket particularly, because all the cold air would get in here. So I would probably roll it up just to give it less room for air to go in, if that makes sense. You know, it's a quilted material. There's definitely lining in it. It has a zip here up the front. I'll zip it so you can see what it looks like zipped. Okay, zipped. Here is the back of it. It's plenty roomy, slash pockets here in the front. Beautiful jacket, just not what I expected. It didn't look as bulky, you know, on the model as when it came. Matter of fact, when I got it, I'm like, wow, this is a thick jacket. I just did not expect it to be this thick. And the back again. All right, now the top, and you'll have to excuse the sirens. Santa Claus is coming down our street. So every year, this time of year, Santa Claus comes and gives out presents to any family that ordered presents through the fire department, and Santa Claus gives a gift. So if you hear sirens, no alarm, it's Santa Claus. First year here that I was here, I thought for sure there was a fire, and it just ended up being Santa Claus. All right, so right here, we have the top. Okay, I had to resume because Santa was right in front of my house with the sirens and you wouldn't have been able to hear me. So I had to turn it off for a second. All right, so the top, I'll come a little closer. It is like a dusty mauve or lavender color. It is like a waffle knit. It is extremely tight around my arms, but I plan on wearing a jacket with this. And again, that was the whole point. So that really doesn't bother me. It doesn't hurt or anything because it is a knit, but it is just letting you know, very tight around my forearms. This arm, part of my arm, it's snug, but not like really tight. The forearms, for whatever reason, are pretty tight. But like I said, that would go great layering under a jacket. Everywhere else, I think fits fine. I wouldn't want it any bigger. I wouldn't want it any looser. I think it's exactly the type of style that I was looking for my casual work-at-home lifestyle and looking for something in a movie color. All right, so here's the front of it. Here's the back of it. Oh, and I'm not a hood person, so I would never wear the hood, but I know some of you might be. So here is what it looks like with the hood. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next sweater. Okay, up next is the cardigan. I really do like this cardigan. I like the way it drapes. My only concern about it is the quality and whether it will last through a machine wash. I think it's very soft. I'm very surprised it has this much acrylic in it. Love the way it fits, feels, drapes. I'm just concerned if I wash it, how it will last. This one I might actually hand wash versus machine wash. Let me see what the instructions actually say here on what to do. So on the washing, reverse care, they're saying machine wash cold, like colors, reshape, dry flat. So yeah, maybe, all right, I'll give it a shot. I'll follow the machine instructions. But this one, yeah, I do like it a lot. So I'm keeping it, love the color. Don't own anything in this color. The pants, what a find, okay? Hopefully you can see, I put on a pair of pumps with this just because I kind of figured with the cardigan and the top, it kind of warranted pumps. But these fit me perfectly. There's no pulling here at the stomach. There's that very stretchy level 99 material. It is a straight leg, so it's not squeezing my calf. There's a little bit of extra room down there, even with the vent. So yes, I'm happy about these pants. I cannot explain, and I think they're casual enough here with the zippers that I could dress these down. So this is not like something I'd have to dress up. I just chose to wear it with this cardigan with you guys and put on heels to make it look a little bit dressier. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you can give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified of future videos from me. Thank you again and take care. Till next time.